Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube students. Dear students, in the previous lectures we have discussed two ways of finding solution of quadratic equation. Method was by factorization and the second one was by completing square method. There is another method to find the solution of the quadratic equation, that is by using quadratic formula. So first of all, let's derive quadratic formula so that we can apply it successfully. Apply completing square method to derive quadratic formula. We will apply completing square method for the derivation of quadratic formula. And here, first of all, you know what is the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Just go back and review the steps of completing square method. First step was you have to make the coefficient of x equal to 1. So here the coefficient is, what you are going to do, you need to divide each term by a. So this a will be cancelled, the remaining will be x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. Second step was you need to move the constant term from left hand side to right hand side. So divide each term by a, we have got this, and afterwards when we move that constant term c by a to right hand side, that will be x square plus b by ax is equal to minus c by a. Now before going to the next step, so let's revise the algebraic identity. We have a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here you can see that I am just making the structure over there. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to minus c by a. ठीक है, अब देखिए, in the place of a there is x, so x square, here will be x, and we have to find this b now. I have told you in my previous lecture that whatever is the coefficient with x, you have to divide it by 2 for finding b. It will be b by a divided by 2, so it will be b by 2a. Fine. So here I am substituting b by 2a, here again b by 2a. Fine, that b we have find. Up now this is, you can see this is the extra term that is not over there. Fine, so that extra term, when we are adding it on the left hand side, then we also have to add that extra term on the right hand side to make that equation balanced. Fine, so that one was the procedure. Now you need to check either this and this is same or not. So check it out. 2 is cancelled with 2, it will be b by ax. Yes, these both are same. This one is the opened form of this algebraic identity, and that is equal to a plus b whole square. In the place of a, you can see there is x, so a plus, in the place of b there is b by 2a. A plus b by a plus b whole square, so a plus b by 2a whole square, that is equal to minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. Now let's see the steps. Adding b by 2a whole square on the both sides, we obtain this. Here we are going to take LCM. That will be 4a square b square minus a will be cancelled with this, just 4a will be there, 4a into c. Fine. Now taking square root on both sides, this will be cancelled, and you know that 4a whole square we can write it down, 2a whole square is equal to 4a square. So in the place of 4a square we can place 2a whole square. So it will be cancelled, under root will be cancelled out, so it will be x plus b by 2a is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This under root will be cancelled. Square is cancelled with under root. So here you can see that x is equal to, when this b by 2a shift from left to right, it changes its sign from minus b by 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. After taking LCM, we have minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, and this is actually x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is actually the quadratic formula, and in my next lectures we will learn how to apply this quadratic formula to find out the solution of quadratic equation, and we will do exercise 1.2. In my next lectures we will learn how to apply this quadratic formula to find out solution of quadratic equations, and we will solve exercise 1.2. I hope you have understood today's lecture. Stay blessed and keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.